of you. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Ms. Kanilpa, teacher of Lalbagh Girls Intermediate College. This is our digital class. This is for class 6, chapter 3. Topic is paragraph alignment. Paragraph alignment means the way of placing the paragraph between the margin of a page. So set the paragraph alignment, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the paragraph or select one or more paragraph for setting the alignment. Step 2. Click on the paragraph dialog box launcher button on the home tab. Step 3. The paragraph dialog box appears with indent and spacing as the active tab. Step 4. Select any one of these alignment from the alignment drop down list. Left to make the paragraph left alignment, center to make the paragraph center aligned, right to make the paragraph aligned right. Justify to make the paragraph completely justified. Step 5. Click on OK button to apply next new setting to paragraph. MS Word offer you to printing a Word document. MS Word offer you various facilities to print your document in an easy and efficient manner. But before you print your document, it is very essential to know how it would be printed on a paper. Selecting the print preview of document. To see the print preview of the document, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Office button, Print Preview. Step 2. The document open in print preview format. Here the document will be displayed as it will be printed on a paper. Step 3. Move the mouse pointer on the page. Notice that the shape of the pointer change of magnifying glass with a plus symbol inside it. Step 4. Click anywhere on the page to zoom it. Click again to switch over the page to previous size. Step 5. Click on Close Pre-Pointer button to return document window. Printing the document. After satisfying with the print preview of the document, you can print the document. To print the document, follow the given step. Step 1. Click on the Office button and move the mouse print option. Step 2. Click on the print option. The print dialog box open. In the printer system, you can select the print to be used for printing in the name drop down list. Step 4. Page range selection allows you to choose the page to be printed. You can print all pages of a document, current page, or you can specify the range of pages 6 to 12 for pages and specify dual pages using comma operation in the pages box. Step 5. In the copies select section, specify how many point printouts you want to take of your document. Step 6. Press OK button to get the printout of your document. Thank you, children.